Hello everyone, my name is Ishan. In this video, I will demonstrate how to configure Apex Listener with Glassfish server. So what is Apex Listener? Actually with Apex 4.0, you can now configure the middle tier with either Oracle WebLogic server or Glassfish server or OC4J. So we have now a couple of choices. Before it was Oracle HTTP server if we want to use a 3-tier configuration. So for Glassfish server, what we need to do, first step, we have to download Apex 4.0. You can download from OTN, it is available. Next, we have to download the JDK. Java Development Kit latest will be enough, and it is important to install Glassfish server. Third option, you can download Glassfish server from this link in the video, and here you can see you can download Glassfish server 3.0. And fourth step is to download the Apex Listener. You can see the link appearing here also, Apex Listener, and we will go to download. Apex Listener is just a 4-5 MB in size, and you can see here I have downloaded Glassfish server and Apex Listener, and I unzipped it. So it contains a WAR file and documentation how to configure and few XML files. So let's start. I assume that we already installed Glassfish server, which is just a simple wizard driven, and you have to provide the administrative password, and the path of JDK is automatically detected. And we'll go to the admin page. Now this is the admin port of default port of admin in the Glassfish server, and HTTP port you defined of your choice during installation. So we'll connect with the admin. Okay, now we are here on the home page of Glassfish server. We need to set up two accounts. We will go into the security, realms, and file. We'll go to manage user button, and we need to create two accounts. One is called admin listener and other is called manager listener. Admin listener can set up the configure the Apex listener. The other one can see the status, and we'll see. When we create, we need to give a username, and the group list, actually this is very important step. These are case sensitive, and this must be you cannot create groups in the Glassfish server. I'm not able to find it, so you just write a name here and specify the password, and same thing with the manager listener. Let me demonstrate how. We'll use like the admin listener and just write a name. Another one is the manager group. Next step is to deploy the Apex listener. We'll go to application. You see I've already deployed it, so let me undeploy it. Okay, now I will go to deploy, and I will choose which file to deploy. And if you remember that we have already downloaded Apex listener, and I have downloaded here, and there is a WAR file, and I will select here. Type we will select as a web application, and the context root will be Apex, and only we need to describe some description of this, and we'll press OK. You see it's enabled and it is deployed. Next is to copy the Apex installation images into the Glassfish server. So in the Glassfish, I've installed Glassfish in the C drive. We'll go to Glassfish domains, domain 1 by default created, and we have a doc root here. First we need to create a I folder with the name I, because Apex by default store images here, and we will copy and paste all Apex images directory from the Apex installation. Let me see where I installed actually my Apex. And one thing, it's not supported with the Oracle XE right now, the Apex listener configuration. You see the Apex directory where I installed the images directory, and I have to copy all images from this directory and paste into the doc root/I. After this, we are ready to configure the Apex listener. We'll go to our local host, and I will go to Apex listener configure. This 7788 I gave a HTTP port for listener, and here we need to set up a database connection, Apex public user, its password, and its local host, the host name of your database, and the SID I have on my local host. You can set up configure securities, which packages procedures allowed or not. You can set up the which procedures you want to block, some validation functions, security settings, and caching. Also you can set up where to cache a file location. I provided a custom, and this all other settings. We'll press apply, and if it's successful, it will go to the Apex home page, and there you see our Apex home page is automatically, after applying the changes, it's working. So we can go to Apex admin and create a workspace, and we can go to another pages. I don't know, problem with the Chrome, I think. Let's go with the Firefox. It's better. So you can create a workspace with the admin account, and hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.